Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Screencastify to record your screen for online distance learning. So the first thing that you need to use is your Chrome browser, okay? This software is designed to be an extension with the Chrome browser. So go to Chrome and then go to www.screencastify.com and then install the necessary software. I've already done that, so once you've completed the installation, a small icon will appear on the right hand side of your browser. It's like a red arrow. So once I click the red arrow, I'll be presented with a few options and some information. The first thing I want you to be aware of is that the free version has a 5-minute limit for a recording. So if you need additional time for your recordings, then please consider upgrading the version that you have. That will give you limited recordings and additional editing features as well. But for what I'm trying to do, the free version I find to be very successful. You have a few options with regards to what you can record. Your browser tab, your desktop, and your webcam only. With your browser tab and your desktop, it also gives you the additional option of embedding the webcam into the screen as well. So I'll select the desktop, I'll embed the webcam, and I will begin the recording. You'll be given another option. You can either screencast your entire screen or the application window, which in this case would just be the browser. But for this example, I'm going to go with the entire screen and then click share. I'll count down 3, 2, 1. Okay, so once it has begun, you'll then have a few options along the bottom. Some minor editing tools to help you with, highlighting and identifying particular components of that lesson. So I'll go through them with you. I will move to another screen. Okay, so I've got a Google document here, and I'll use some of the features of the toolbar to show you what could be used with the free version. You can have several versions of the mouse pointer. So one, you can have the focus mouse, which essentially is like a searchlight. Anything around the cursor is white, but beyond that, everything becomes dark. Another option is to hide the cursor when it's not in use. So 1 second of not using the mouse, the cursor just disappears from the screen and reappears when you need to move it. The third option, so one that I use most of all, is the highlight circle. So as you click on the screen, a red circle will appear and then disappear whenever you highlight or click on the screen itself. So if I want to change the font to italic, you can see that the red circle appeared when I clicked on the italic icon along the top. I'll undo that, and it does the exact same thing again. Along with that, if you need to highlight any text, if you click the pencil icon, you'll be presented with an array of colours to use. So if there was a word or section I wanted to highlight, I can go ahead and do that. The eraser icon, if you click on the wipe screen clear, that will remove everything. You can remove pieces one by one if you want to use that method. So if I was presenting to class, I've got my necessary materials up, I've got my presentation, I've got a necessary Google Doc open, YouTube possibly, and then I would navigate between those applications, and then once I completed that particular part of the instruction, then I want to stop the recording. So if I go back and click on the red arrow, it will then say your desktop is being recorded. What do I want to do? Do I want to delete? Do I want to begin? Do I want to pause, which is an option? Or do I want to stop? In this case, I'm going to just stop my recording. And then it will take you automatically to a Screencastify site, where it automatically will download the recording to your Google Drive. So if I go to my Google Drive, I've got a Screencastify folder, and you can see my 3 videos are already contained inside this folder. So Screencastify will automatically upload it for me. Once it's uploaded to Google Drive, you can then do one of two things, or both. You can publish on YouTube, or you can share on Google Classroom. But you do need to wait until it is fully uploaded to Google Drive before you can make any changes. Okay, if you have any questions about using Screencastify, please just send me an email or write a message in the comments below. Thank you.